everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video I want to update about my garden. It's been a long time that I did not post any videos on my garden. So let's see how my garden is doing this year and what are the plants we are growing here. These are all the okra or lady's finger plants. We allotted them in a one garden bed. These plants are growing from the seeds, and each day we need to pluck the okra. It gives a good yield and that is sufficient for a family. These are the ridge gourd plants, and now the ridge gourds are growing nicely after the temperature is falling down. You can see 4 to 5 ridge gourds here. We already cut few of them. This is our curry leaf plant. This is growing very well. I have been following all the tips that I shared in another video how to grow the curry leaf plant. These are all the red gongura plants and they are very tasty in any curries. We can pluck them almost every week and very happy to grow them in my garden. There are few white gongura plants in our garden. They grow very tall and big. Here you are seeing the muskmelon. It is growing from the plant. We purchased a plant and it took like some time to get the muskmelon. This is the pear tree we purchased from Costco and we planted this year, but it is growing nicely in a single year. We planted so many small tomato plants in one garden bed. They are growing big, but they were giving good tomatoes at the month of May. But now we are still waiting for the tomatoes. This is the Indian beans plant and it is growing all over. It has lot of flowers, but still now only it started growing the beans. Time back up, I cut all these vegetables, ridge gourds, lady's finger, brinjal and cherry tomatoes and gongura. This garden bed we have so many different type of vegetables like cherry tomatoes, chillies, bell pepper and brinjal, and also different jalapenos. So I will show each of them. We also got different kind of peppers from this plant. These are the peppers. These are the cherry tomato plants. They are growing by itself and every week they give lot of cherry tomatoes throughout the season. This year we are getting good amount of purple brinjal one. They are long and big. In this flower garden bed, most of the junior plants are blooming nice juniors. We also have the few bell pepper plants and they are giving the good amount of bell peppers. Other than the garden beds, we also have few more flower plants in the pots. This is Kanakambaram and Tulsi and basil and hibiscus and few other plants in the pots. Year we went to India for a vacation for a month. At that time the summer was so hot. One of my friends was watering the garden and also we turned on the sprinklers. Because of that, the plants were able to survive in the hot summer. We are also learning every year by year in this gardening. We enjoyed a lot in the gardening. If you like our garden, please tell me in the comment section down below.